can't start here anymore. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Awal, and you can see a Colossi. Hi, Bolo.
Hi, bro.
Yeah, Julian is there. I'm gonna go Malki Forest with my friend. So watch Julian, guys. I'll show you guys in the way. Guys, we're in our way, and here is Colossi is there. And yeah, there from education. From what are you saying? Are you all in this?
Yeah.
This is from education, Colossi, and this is from BA Political.
Pol science, bro.
Yeah, politics. Anything. It's all gonna fall. We're gonna go to this. We're gonna go show you guys. Malki Forest. Nah, Colossi. Okay. I don't know how will be the situation, but we're gonna. अरे हमने what doing Julian से क्या कर रहे हो? We're gonna travel. Why so sad? Why so sad, man? Don't sad, man. Don't sad. Enjoy this.
With you only.
Yeah, go with me.
Not from Julian.
Low. This pine tree. It means pine tree.
I learned from the guys of Tripura.
Yeah, means from Tripura.
Yes, bro.
Habibi, come to Shillong.
Habibi, come to Malki.
Come to Malki Forest. Guys, you're in here. Near Malki Forest. Near jungle. Look here, all jungle. You see the view and all. Cousin friend from Meghalaya. Pa, tired. Pa, you guys can run like anything and roll. We'll go from here. No, we will go the tree now. We can see. Guys, we are finally Malki. How do you feel? How do you feel? Good, right? Feeling good.
Yes. See, I want to speak
English.
because
Okay, guys, we are all in Malki Forest. Sida and Julian is there. And then who is this doggy style? What doing? Hey. Blocker, look. There. This is the Malki.
This is Malki Forest.
Malki Forest.
It's
Very
a
big.
nice place.
Nice place. And Sida.
When we visit to Shillong, come to Malki Forest.
Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
it's good.
Oh. Look now, the tree are very big. Guys, we are finally in Malki.
And finally, Malki, we will go to waterfall. We are on this way in Malki Forest. This guy told it's so. Get ready to fight.
You guys will in Malki now, and here is Colossi. That's ye block karega.
Come on. We are on this way from Malki Forest. We will go to water. Come on. With me. Follow me. This is Abel from Tripura.
I'm from Meghalaya.
You are English student, and you are a political student. And me too. I am education.
You tell this about this place name information. No, please. Okay, tell me about this information because Khumde Kublai Shibaro.
Kublai Shibun means thank you.
Yeah.
In Tripura, what did we say?
Thank you means hambai.
Hambai. Hambai.
Arigato. Thamsamida.
Hambai Thamsamida.
It's actually he's from Japan. This
Thamsamida. Arigato.
Kamsamida.
Thamsamida. Okay, look the jungle.
Thamsamida from Meghalaya.
Thamsamida from Meghalaya.
Meghalaya.
Colossi.
Thamsamida from Meghalaya.
We are exploring Malki, showing you guys see the jungle.
The view.
The valley of Meghalaya.
Yeah, the beauty of Meghalaya. Na? Very peaceful and
which means Meghalaya, not Meghalaya.
all are Christian. Not all, but maximum Christian and Meghalaya.
Majority
are Christian.
in this state we are Christian.
Christian. This is the future pastor.
Hello.
Yeah, pastor and what my what is finished. Call kami over someone. Girlfriend. Now we cross the Malki.
When we go
When cross, but it's still.
this way, na,
Oh, yeah.
we can go from Umpling.
Umpling.
So
From
Shillong
here?
Peak,
Shillong Peak. Yeah, Shillong Peak we know already. We go last time Shillong Peak.
Laban also this way.
And now we are going to find a secret waterfall. My friend is telling us to come, so we'll just go with him. So see how it'll be.
We can reach Umpling.
Umpling or more. See.
Umpling Laban.
Laban and yeah, obviously. Because we reach from here. That Shillong Peak also we can go, right?
Yes.
Obviously we can go, man, no problem. Jack. Wow, wow. बिल्कुल भी नहीं डरने का. Just be your own self. This fellow so afraid
Malki
nako.
is so good.
Julian.
That's so good, man.
So good na.
I'm so happy today.
Julian.
Wait, bro, tell me.
From Tripura.
Yeah,
That's why I am excited. I
So
am
excited.
feeling happy.
Okay.
But I hope one day
We'll meet
We
again, don't
can-
worry. What we cannot, we can. We are staying still in the world. If die, then we can meet.
we can meet.
And
Right,
like this is all we should enjoy on
And
our
I
life.
hope one day we will go also in Tripura
Come. Most
With-
welcome.
with my friend Abel Julianson. Same from
Nagaland.
Umden.
Nagaland, man.
Nagaland.
From Umden Rangthalu.
Oh, I'll fall. Low. क्या जगह है देखो क्या जगह है all pine tree full of pine tree full of happiness full of I don't know what is that full of all full of
Last time we went upper, right?
ऊपर it's okay we can explore a new place okay this place we don't know just call us I bring we trust him and we come I don't know where he is carrying us
Oh, man.
no man what will not I don't know oh is there a waterfall yeah we can hear na
No.
yeah it's there I think yeah it's there that's going on I don't know where is this place that's blindly going.
If you go to the upper wala na,
Yeah, we can
there
there.
waterfall, bro.
It's there.
Ada ladang ilag na tayo. Isang ko
But
waterfall.
we don't want to again. We don't want to
But
climb.
if we can go this way also.
I think we can go from this way also. Maybe we'll
maybe
find.
we-
Because in Meghalaya, because of popular
Let's
place,
see
you know
waterfall.
waterfall. Golas I look like a kitchen.
Come on, bro.
Hey,
Yeah,
Kulas,
going.
Yes, bro. Yes, bro.
Come, Azaza. I was better. From here or what? Here, right?
Yes.
I guess from here on, I don't know. Me too. It's so sleepy, man. Wow, yeah. आवाज है. After long days, we are coming to jungle, no, for hangouting. Only inside town, staying in town, law, becoming Bazi. The waterfall. You can hear from here. Oh, we finally reached the waterfall. I think we should go from there, huh? From there or there?
Come.
Come on, chalo. Guys, you're finally in Meghalaya waterfall and you can see the waterfall. So
This is waterfall.
Come on.
We can swim also, na? We can swim also.
Come, slowly. Come. Get the waterfall.
It's good.
We'll fall, okay?
Finally, I am reaching in waterfall. Finally, bro, I am reaching from waterfall, Malki. Come on, bro. Take this, bro. Take.
Yeah.
Take this. Yes, yes. You can take off.
Okay, take. There you go.
Nice, nah?
Yeah.
Come with me, come. Matang house, come. Anda, come. Matang house, come. Matang house, inside. Yeah! Oh, inside. Oh! Okay, now we're gonna go again back to home. Bye guys.